6:46 right now. Want to get a check of that forecast with Storm Tracker meteorologist Carson Meredith. I'm personally excited for this Friday despite the cold weather.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, it's going to warm up. It's going to be wet, though.
It is going to be wet at least by Sunday, and that's why we need to enjoy today and tomorrow. We got a lot of rain to talk about next week. This morning, though, man, what a gorgeous sunrise it is. But don't let that sun fool you yet. It's still really cold. We're all waking up in the mid-20s at this hour. Huntsville's at 26. Muscle Shoals, good morning to you, is 26. 28 in Marshall County, 27 right now in Decatur. Let's give it another 2 hours, and then past 9 o'clock, we'll start to see those temperatures climb rather quickly, and it's shaping up to be a beautiful Friday, which means, of course, the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network will stay nice and quiet. You see that quick warm up pretty well past 9 o'clock. We'll still be in the mid-30s by then. Then we get close to 50 degrees by noon. Maybe a nice day to have lunch outside, still just a tick on the cool side. Your forecast high is 53 degrees though today, and that is very typical for this time of year. Plenty of sunshine, maybe a few passing clouds here and there, but not a whole lot. Shaping up to be a great way to wrap up the week. Any Friday night plans you have, those temperatures will drop quickly with those clear skies. So we go from 49 at 5 o'clock down to 44 by 7 and 41 degrees by 9 o'clock tonight. So you'll still need those heavier jackets if you're heading out and about after work later on this evening. But as we get past Saturday, those rain chances go up in a big way, and they stay up in a big way. Now, during the day on Saturday, it looks pretty good. A lot of sunshine. Highs actually near 60 tomorrow. We have that 10% chance, though, for maybe a couple of showers in the shoals tomorrow evening. So if you have any plans tomorrow night, most part will stay dry. After midnight Saturday night, that's when the more widespread rain moves in, and it stays with us all day Sunday. Sunday is going to be a washout. If you have any outdoor plans, just go ahead and move them inside. We'll get a brief break in the rain on Monday before a more consistent wet weather pattern takes over on Tuesday. Let's walk you through all this rain on future radar. Today's just fine. Plenty of sunshine, not a whole lot of cloud cover to speak of. Clear skies overnight tonight. When you wake up Saturday morning, it will be chilly again. Maybe not quite as cold this morning, I should say, but we'll still be in the 30s this time tomorrow morning. Clouds start to filter in tomorrow afternoon, staying dry around 3 o'clock. Here come the first of those showers by 9 p.m. in northwest Alabama, and you notice the more widespread rain does not start to move in until well after midnight Saturday night. Heading out for church services Sunday morning, you will need the rain gear. Could have a few heavier downpours Sunday morning as well, but no thunderstorms are expected, and we will keep that rain around throughout the entire day on Sunday. Now, as we look ahead to next week, we'll have a stalled frontal boundary just to our south, closer to Montgomery. Right along that front, we're going to have several pulses of energy in the atmosphere that will give us that widespread rain chance starting on Tuesday, then into Wednesday, then again into Thursday. Look closely, though. Just to our north, we got some blues and purples showing up in Kentucky and Tennessee. Our friends to the north will have to deal with some wintry weather next week. The big question for us here at home is how cold will we get? For the time being, we still expect to just see a good old-fashioned rain and a lot of it. But if those temperatures start to cool here in North Alabama, we may have to look at the possibility for at least adding a small chance for a few snowflakes next week. But for now, our main focus is rain and a lot of it. Many of us over the next 7 days going to see 2, 3, maybe 4 inches of rain. We've seen a lot of rain so far this month. The ground is pretty saturated, so these kind of rainfall totals will start to cause some flooding concerns along those creeks and rivers across North Alabama. Might have a flooding issue late next week. So as you see the 7-day forecast, bottom line, just get outside today, get outside tomorrow. Highs in the mid-50s today, close to 60 on Saturday. Rain returns on Sunday, and then that more consistent wet weather returns on Tuesday.